Are you ready to revolutionize the way you cook? Meet the COSORI Air Fryer 9-in-1, the ultimate solution for healthier, faster and tastier meals. But wait, here's the best part. It's currently 25% off and over 8,000 satisfied customers have already upgraded their kitchens with this game-changing appliance. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll know why it's the hottest kitchen item you can't afford to miss. Let's dive into what makes the COSORI Air Fryer a must-have. First, it's powered by TurboBlaze Technology that delivers temperatures up to 450 degrees and a fan speed of 3600 RPM. What does this mean for you? Perfectly crispy fries, juicy chicken wings and golden vegetables, all with 95% less oil. No guilt, just incredible flavor. Now versatility is key, and this air fryer doesn't disappoint. With 9 built-in cooking functions, you can air fry, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, reheat and more. All with the touch of a button. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast, a hearty dinner or even snacks, the COSORI has you covered. And here's something you'll love. It's 6-quart capacity. It's big enough to cook for the whole family, but compact enough to fit perfectly on your countertop. Need to prepare dinner for 4 or more? No problem. Cleaning up after cooking is often the worst part, right? Not anymore. The non-stick basket is completely dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and effortless. That's more time for enjoying your meal and less time scrubbing pots and pans. But we're not done yet. The COSORI Air Fryer is also whisper quiet, running at less than 53 decibels. That means you can cook without the loud noise ruining the peaceful vibe of your kitchen. Still on the fence? Let's talk about the thousands of 5-star reviews this air fryer has received. Customers rave about how it's changed their cooking habits and made meal prep so much easier. One user said, "It's hands down the best kitchen appliance I've ever owned." And here's the kicker, with 25% off, there's never been a better time to grab yours. But don't wait too long. Deals like this don't last forever. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below to get your very own COSORI Air Fryer 9-in-1 and join the thousands of people who are